Hello, we are at Cahokia Mounds today. Cahokia Mounds is a state park across the river in Illinois. It is about 20 minutes from downtown St. Louis. It is a historic site, one of the largest Indian civilizations and this in North America. It is pretty cool. They have a great visitor center. You see behind me is a visitor center. We're here today on Friday, so it is packed of kids doing field trips. My husband grew up in St. Louis. He said they always went here once a year for a field trip. So it is pretty cool. We're here mainly for exercise because there's tons of walking paths. I've been here about 3 times. But I will show a little video, so if you ever are in the St. Louis area and you're into history and you're looking for something to do, I highly recommend stopping by Cahokia Mounds. Alright, we are tackling the hardest part right now, this hill. This is the first thing we're doing. I'm already out of breath just looking at it. This is Monk's Mound South Ramp. So at the top, a very nice view. So here we go. Oh yeah, Robert, he's gonna run it.
I'm running it. I'm sprinting all the way to the top until I see there's another set of stairs after this.
You see all those buses, a bunch of kids are coming. Try to beat the kids. Oh my God.
This is like walking the mountains.
This is like walking the mountains.
You get to the top of your first mountain and you see there's that range of them.
Oh my God, look at those kids. Oh my God.
10 people and get on.
They're a lot quicker than us. Alright, well, I don't care if there's kids in my video. They'll have to deal with it. And the second ramp, the guy is honestly just hanging out right there for some reason. Why is that guy just standing there?
Whoa!
Oh yeah. Lost your energy. So I mentioned this is a very popular place.
Right here.
Step to the right, please.
Right here.
To the right.
Right here.
Left.
To the right. To the
All
left.
right, guys, be super careful on the way down. Hold on to the handle if you have to.
And this is why I like this climb, because you can see the arch. You can see downtown St. Louis. So cool. We're at the bottom of the mound again. This is a nice little history board that talks about it. here because there's a structure that I don't know if it's original or they what's it called?
You said reimagined.
Reimagined, that's Disney. It's too hot to think. It's hot. You know what I'm trying to say? Is this a historic village or is it it's a reenactment? It's not the word. Reimagined. We're going. And there's an ambulance. I hope everyone's okay. Interesting. Alright, this is the stockade. It's been like what, 2 or 3 years since we've been here. I think they've removed a couple of structures because I remember it having a lot more of the wooden structures. I don't know if maybe weather blew them down. But I don't know. This is definitely not how I remember it. This is just one little stockade left over, but I swear, see there's all these extra paths everywhere. So I don't know what happened. We've had some bad storms in the last couple of years. Maybe it knocked some stuff down and they just haven't put it back up. If you're into geocaching, I remember there was some geocaches around here. I really don't do that anymore, so I'm not really gonna look. Isn't that cool? So yeah, I definitely think this is a reproduction because they did not have chicken wire in AD. There was no chicken wire in AD. So yeah, this is a reproduction. Definitely a reproduction, but it's cool. Who remembers as a kid did I say that right? Loved to blow on these. Who remembers that?
You just pick the flower and
I'm trying to figure out how I can blow it and have my cell phone on at the same time. It's not possible. As people, sorry for the audio. I can't record this at the same time. No, it's not working out. Robert. Record. Stop. This is the zombie. He's reenacting a zombie movie.
Sorry.
Yeah, come out here and record me blowing these dandelions. I remember doing this as a kid thing. Didn't you love picking dandelions as a kid? It's so pretty. All right, fine. You are no fun.
The flower on state property. You're not allowed to do that.
Oh, you're right. It's a state.
You just broke another law.
I could get arrested. You're not allowed
Get
to.
away from me, criminal. This is ridiculous.
Criminal. But it's pretty. It's pretty. But they want you to blow the dandelion seeds everywhere so it infects
They don't
everything.
want you picking it. You picked it twice. That's 2 misdemeanors. Before you know it, it's going to be
Will you bail me out of jail?
a felony.
Will you?
No, I'm not helping you,
You're
criminal.
gonna let me rot in jail?
Pretty much. Good Lord. Breaking laws left and right. I can't be around here. Stop law.
But they're so pretty. Alright, we're back at the visitor center. We did one lap. I don't know, what do you think we walked? We didn't walk, what, 3 miles, 2 miles at that? Couple miles. Not as much as I was expecting, but it kind of looks like it might rain. Anyway, I'm going to the visitor center and do a little video of the displays, but I won't show too much, so you can come down here and see for yourself. Alright, we're in the visitor center. The visitor center, did I say that right? What is this part called? The museum part? I love like all the artifacts, so cool. Shell beads, arrowheads.
Sorry.
Shadow animals. Look at all this cool stuff. Look at all those clay figurines. That's pretty cool.
That's pretty amazing.
They're very talented.
Those guys are real.
It says they're real. Don't be so skeptical.
They look too intricate.
If they could, I don't think they were made in China. so skeptical. Look at all these arrowheads. So when we go to Arkansas next week, we can look for arrowheads.
Why?
I don't know. Apparently it's the thing to do. What are those fishing weights?
Yeah.
I was right. Weights for fishing and fouling nets. What is a fouling net? Do they use a net to catch a bird?
Yep. Sit down.
Shark's tooth. Okay, now wait a minute. Look at that. Do you see what that says? They are saying shark's tooth has been found here.
Are you serious?
They came from the Gulf Coast. So people came from the Gulf Coast and used shark's tooth. That's pretty cool. So that means we could find shark's tooth here.
Only because it was an Indian person.
Yeah.
Not because it's naturally occurring. It's because some dude carried it with him.
Alright. It sounded better when
Some dude.
we could actually find it naturally.
Where's the Birdman?
Go over here. It's not complete unless there's a crying kid. Oh look. Here's what you can do with all your oyster shells. You can make a shell hoe.
I just thought of something.
That kind of sounded kind of funny. Oh my god, they grew squish. They grew squish. Squash. I meant to say squash. I think this scene would be a lot better if it had real water in it. Alright, that's it. I'm going to show you. I don't want to show too much. It's a pretty cool museum. Alright, we're done at Cahokia Mounds just in time. I don't think you can see it very well because of the glare, but there's a storm rolling in. It's extremely windy all of a sudden, and it looks very spooky in the distance. So, spooky? Is that the right word? Worrisome? Anyway, I'm sure we're gonna be driving home in the rain. So we walked through the visitor center and the gift shop, and the gift shop is pretty awesome. The only thing I bought was they had locally grown white rice from Cahokia. So it's grown in southern Illinois. I thought that was cool. I didn't realize Illinois grew rice. So I bought this for $5. I don't know. I just like local food stuff like that. They had a lot of cool Indian jewelry and books and trinkets and typical stuff, just nothing I really wanted at the moment besides this rice. So anyway, if you're in the area, I highly recommend visiting Cahokia Mounds, or if you're just looking for a place with nice walking trails, I also recommend Cahokia Mounds. Thanks for watching, and please hit the like and subscribe buttons.